acaban mis penas, tus labios terminan con cualquier problema. Ya no hay, ya no hay, ya no hay, ya no, ya no hay, ya no
Para sa
hay,
inyo
ya
po.
no hay dolor. Tienes mirada de Dios con tus ojos que
Let's go!
Dreams, somehow bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give it my all and I don't even have it. I always dream of the song phase, someone who feels like a holiday. But now I'm in pieces, barely believing, starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out the blue on a rainy night, no lie, and tell you how I almost died while you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid to live it couldn't get any better. Started giving up in the world forever. Till I gave up heaven so we could be together. Oh, you're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby. I fall in love with a little face. Counting the tattoos on your skin. I'm a secret, baby, I'll keep it. And maybe we could play house for the weekend. You came out the blue on a rainy night, no lie, and tell you how I almost died, but you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid to live it couldn't get any better. Started giving up in the world forever. Till I gave up heaven so we could be together. Oh, you're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby. All the silky twisted nights that I've been waiting for you. You've been worth it all along. I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid to live it couldn't get any better. Started giving up in the world forever. Until I give up heaven so we could be together. Oh, you're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby, angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby.
Thank you po mga ka-goodbye. Sir Rolly Pilagi, salamat po. And thank you po sa pag-share ng ating live, Ma'am Elena Fuentes. Love, love, love. Sir Rodolfo Mandihar, shoutout po. To Sir Freddy Lanat, hello po. Sir Alex Olmelda, love, love, love po. Sir Brian Jude, thank you to all our foreign friends who are watching right now. Welcome here. Thank you so much for joining. Good night, Sambahan Live, all the way from Philippines. What's up naman daw? Sige po, Ma'am Marlene, ano pa natin yan? Isa pa pong love song daw? Ay, si Sir Benito, ang kanyang entry ay To Love You More. Sige po, itatry ko po. Kaya ko pa yan. Hindi sure kung kaya ka. Magtutubig pa ako. Hashtag itong version lang po. pati uhaw na rin.
Take me back into the arms I love. Be me like you did before. Touch me once again and remember me. There was no one that you wanted more. Don't go, you know you'll break my heart. She won't love you like me. I'm the one who stays when she walks away. And you know I'll be standing still. I'll be waiting for you.
Na-realize ko lang. Anyways, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-request at sa mga sumuporta. Thank you mga mag-advance. Kahit di tayo binitera ay todo support pa rin po kayo dyan sa aking mga pagkanta at pag-awit and everything. Ay, may nag-request po ng Total Eclipse of the Heart. Sige, pakantayin natin yan. Sir Ronald Pedroso, hello po. And once again kay Sir Rami, salamat po. Shoutout po kay JBS Segeli. Hello po. To Ruel Tambayan, magandang gabi po. And hello po kay Sir Teodoro Alon. Salamat po sa pag-share. Wala po tong pa-turn around. So, kung alam niyo po kung kailan mag-turn around, pwede po kayo maki-turn around. Wala pang backup. Eto na po.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming round. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, but then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now, tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. Yeah, we'll only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a sun on me all the time. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. But living in a panic, I can give it all the sparks. I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start. Once upon a time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do. Total eclipse of the heart. Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the dark. Nothing I can say, total eclipse of the heart.
Hashtag Gutong Version. Salamat po. Sir Pete Malaya, thank you po. Hello po. Kung po sa Terapsi, salamat po sa pag-share. Pamailan Mendoza, hello po. Ma'am Darren!
Turn around, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now, tonight. can say total eclipse of the heart.
Ayan po, total eclipse para po sa inyo. Request granted. Shout out po sa aming tita Nina, tita Ine. Hello po. Bebe Princess. Hello po. And advance happy birthday sa aking bebe Cash. Hi, be. Advance happy birthday, Ananda ma. And sa aking bebe Carlo. Anak, mga anak. Birthday na kaya. Ano naman pera si mama. Birthday. Love, love, love you guys. Shout out naman daw kay Sir Daniel Sanico. Hello po to Sir. To Ma'am Iril. Iril. Hello po. Love, love, love. Ma'am Dari! Thank you po. Ma'am Nenel Duazo. Hello po. To Patrice Evia. Hello po. Hindi ko masyadong makita kasi sana po. Tama po kayong pagkabigtas ko. Will you still love me? Will you still love me? Shoutout daw po sa mga taga Binyan, Laguna and to Ma'am Nordy Velar, Ma'am Lina Barrios, hello po. Carpenter song naman daw po. Sige po, bigyan natin natin ng Carpenter song naman. Yung mga mahilig po sa Mellow songs. Ano po bang maganda? Yung paborito na lang natin lahat. Ay, hindi pala Carpenters. Just Another Woman. Tignan ko po dito. Okay. Ito na lang po. Every shot. Ano ba title niyan? Yesterdays. Once more. Yesterdays. Hi po kay Sir Robert Rondero at kay Sir Mark Lawrence Valdez. Sir Alan Philip, thank you so much. And hello din po kay Sir Mike Martinez na nag-share. Salamat po. Okay, ito na po. Yesterday, once more. Paborito na lahat yung Marites. Okay, ito na po.
When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile.
Smile always.
Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wonder where they've gone. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every sweet night that they're starting to say so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. starting to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every shine, every wall still shines. Every shimmer in the lane that they're starting to say so fine. Every shine, every wall still shines.
Hi to Sir Samson Derema, sila po. Alright. Request granted. Tagalog naman po tayo. Ayun. Okay. Nakanta ko na po yata to. Imelda Papin po pala to. Guhit ng palad daw po. Okay. Glenn? To Sir Glenn. Hello po.
Kay tamis ng ating pagmamahalan. Akala ko lahat ay walang hangganan. Subalit ang kwento biglang nagbago. Lumimot ka sa ating pangako. Kahit kailan ako ay ilisan mo, puso ko ay hindi magbabago. Pagkat ikaw ang lahat sa aking buhay, magbalik ka, ako'y maghihintay. Ito ba ang guhit ng aking palad? Sa pag-ibig ako'y sawing palad. Ganyan ba ang tapat na pagmamahal? Paglaruan
Mali ka daw, mag-antay siya. Wey. Bakit? Ayan, salamat po mga ka-good vibes. Sayang po ang guhit ng palad. Hindi ko rin yan alam dati. Natutunan ko lang din po yan sa ating tambayan. Thank you po. Ma'am Panchi Paloma, thank you po sa compliments. Love, love, love. Ayan, kung gusto niyo pong ma-notify sa ating mga next Good Vibes Tambayan Live, don't forget to like and follow you on page. And bukas po ay may live tayo. And sa susunod na bukas, may live pa rin po tayo. Pero yung sa Sunday po, maaga po ang ating live. Siguro po mga 5 p.m. Kasi po manonood po kami ng football ni Dudong. Ako pa yung magre-referee doon. Tukso daw. OMG, Valentine's may tukso. May tukso. So Ruben, hi pa sa Belda family ng Arasak, Bantilan, Sariaya, Quezon. Hello po. Tukso mo talaga? Tusok na lang ba? Only me and you. Sabi pa ni Ma'am C. Sheila. Ay, yung ano pala, no? What's up? Sige, kantayin ko po muna yung what's up tapos tukso po. What's up, tukso? From Massachusetts, hi po to Sir Larry Laro. Hello po. Shoutout din po kay Sir Roel Avendaño. Marlene Litoliano, hello po. Okay, ito na po. What's up? Ang hirap po dito sa gitara. Dalaga ka pa, DJ. Hindi na po, dala na po. Ayan, ito po. Gusto niyo po yung disco na WhatsApp natin? Parang naka-copyright po yata ako dun. Sige, try natin. Pag naka-copyright, hindi ko na po gagawin na rin. Last ko na to. Okay, ito po. Maganda at nakakagwapo yung tukso na yan. Kayo po ay, kung may nagbabadya pong tukso sa inyong mga paligid, ay nangyari lamang na tayo po ay pumunta sa pinakamalapit na suki tindahan. At bumili ng yelo. Ipaligo mo yan para wala yun sa katawan mo. Nako! Ang dapat natawa mo na ako. Kala niyo po kung saan pupunta, no? Sa tindahan. Bili ka ng yelo. Iligo mo naman. Malamig na tubig yan. Ano po ang tukso? Tabi-tabi. Sir Orlan, hello po. Tukso! Bayo ka! Good vibes, everyone.
Tapat ang puso ko at ito'y hindi magbabago. Pagkat pag-ibig ko ay tanging para sa'yo. Huwag sanang mangyari, matukso ako ng sandali. Pagkat ang tukso ay madaling nagwawagi. Kay rami ng binasak na tahanan, kay rami ng matang pinaluhan, kay rami ng pusong sinugatan. O tukso, layuan mo may puso't damdamin. Ngunit kung kaya ko, ako ay di padadaig sa tuksong kay rami na winasak na damdamin. Kay rami na winasak na tahanan. Kay rami na natulpo tambayan. Kay rami na puso sinugatan. O tukso, layuan niyo ito. Kay rami na winasak na tahanan. Kay rami na matang pinaluhan. Kay rami na pusong sinugatan. O tukso, layuan mo ako. Kay rami na winasak na tahanan. Kay rami na matang pinaluhan. Kay rami na pusong sinugatan. O tukso, layuan mo ako. Ayan, ang tukso. Kahit ano po yun sa comment section, ang dami daw pinatulpo. IMG. Okay lang naman, no? Singit ko sana, hindi pa ako makapag-isip ng tamang ano. Pinatulpo. Salamat po. Gano'ng kahaba na ba tayo? Wait lang, check ko lang po mga good boys. Ay, ayun, isasakto ko na lang po hanggang 11 o'clock ang ating live. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo mga ka-good vibes. Love, love, love po sa inyo. Sir Jesus Rosal, salamat po. Kay Ma'am Dory, thank you po Ma'am Dory. Ma'am Dory. Kay Ma'am Manita Manigo sila po. Shoutout po sa Sedillo family. Love, love, love. Okay, yung only me and you na po tayo. Enjoy, enjoy. Sir Bonifacio, hello po. Ma'am Flor de Liza Verba, hello po. Ma'am Jennifer Panoy, good vibes po. Salamat po. Hi po kay Sir Bonifacio Placer, Sir Danilo Obaw, Ma'am Sunita Sharma, hello po. Sir Dandy Mangaw. Donna Cruz. I just had a dream that you were far away, and that someone else was in your arms today. Though I know it's just a dream, still my fear is so extreme. 'Cause I know that dreams could sometimes be so true, and I'll be blue. And I told myself I'll always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I will take the blame. You are all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have come to love you. I see, because the heart I have could only want to. Yes, I told myself I'd always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I will take the blame. You are all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have come to love you. I see, because the heart I have could only want to. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until the world is true. When all that's left is only me and you. Bahing pala kita, Chu. You are all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have come to love you. I see, because the heart I have could only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until the world is through. I'll wait for you, you know it's true. Until again, I'll be with you. When all that's left is only me and you.
Alright. Salamat po. Last song na po tayo mga Kagid Vibes. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga naki-join sa ating Gather sa My Life for tonight. Happy Friday po sa inyo lahat. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend po. Enjoy your day off and enjoy life. Good night po. Ano kaya ang last song po natin? Ano po ako? Sige, kanta ko po kayo ng ano. Pang magandang buhay song. Abangan niyo po ang ating Valentine playlist dito sa ating tambayan. Yan, pinaggawa po namin yan ng ating mga ibang nating mga ka-good vibes. Kami po ay nag-meeting kagabi. Gabi po ba yun? Yung isang gabi. Ayan, at kami po ay nag-brainstorming and everything. At ayan po, nakabuo kami ng 5 kanta na ihahandog ko po para sa inyo. Para sa Valentine's. Makaka-relate po ang lahat ng mga lovers natin, mga lovers nating, ang mga in love, mga lovers, basta lahat about love. Okay, ito na po ang ating last song. Akin pong i-record yan sa aking day off. Ano ba day off ko? Sa Tuesday. Sa Tuesday pa po. Di ba post ko na rin po yan sa Tuesday. Ma'am Rosalie Atilano, thank you po. Mami Naregla, sila po Sir Alvin Cruz, sila po. Ma'am Ellen Carbajosa, sila po Sir Francisco Javier. Me Encantas. Hello! Ito na po. Last song! Scuba! Tambayan! Happy Valentine's Day po sa lahat! Hey! Dito kayo mga love you all! Mas beautiful ang life kapag lagi kang good vibes at positive sa buhay. Kaya naman po, bago matapos ang ating live, isang paalala lamang na sana ay lagi kayo maging masaya. Laging piliin maging masaya kasama ang pamilya. At kung hindi man, iparamdam natin sa kanila ang ating pagmamahal. Dahil lang, bawat oras, time is gold. Love you po mga ka-good vibes! Sa ating Good Vibes family, hello po. Good night po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pakikilahok, sa pakikisayaw, sa pakikikanta, sa lahat. Pagiging parte ng Good Vibes Tambayan. At dyan na po nakatapos sa ating Good Vibes Live. Ito po ang inyong host, na si Yuan. Nakakain na. Good night po sa mga matutulog na, sa mga papasok sa trabaho. Mag-ingat po palagi. Don't forget to always pray bago umalis, bago matulog, lahat ng mga bagong gawin. Laki pa natin ng dasal. Love you all pa. This is your host, Yuan, signing off. Peace. God bless.